Hello students. So in previous video we have gone through the life process, the introductions and the content of the chapter. Today we will go through the first process, that is your nutrition. So life process, what does it mean? That it comprises all the activities which are essential for the surviving or for sustaining life. So in that the first process, it is nutrition. Now, nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition, it is the process of intaking food so that we can obtain energy for our different functions or for different activities. Like when we are playing or writing or walking, anything, energy is required. Even though when we are sleeping, that time also energy is required. So from where this energy comes? This energy comes from food which we eat. So the food which we eat, it gives us energy, and this energy, it helps in performing different functions or different activities. In food, it contains the nutritive materials that are your carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, all these which you have studied in the lower class. Now today we will see that what are the different modes, because different organisms have different modes of taking this nutrition. So the mode of nutrition, it is mainly basically divided into two types. One is your autotrophic and the another one is your heterotrophic. See, first auto. Auto means self and trophic, it is the process. So here this autotrophic, it is the process in which the organisms, it makes their own food, and in which they take directly the inorganic materials and they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. An example of autotrophics, autotrophic means process, and when we say autotroph, it means organism. So autotrophic means the process in which organisms prepare their own food, and autotroph means the organism which perform or which make their own food. So autotroph, what are the examples? The example is green plants which prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Now hetero. Hetero means which depends on other. So it is the process in which organisms depend on other for their food, that is the heterotrophic, and the organisms which depends on other, that organisms are called heterotrophs. An example, animals and human beings. Animals, human, animals, insects and all that, it comes, means except the green plants, all others, it comes in heterotrophic. And heterotrophic, again it is divided into saprophytic, parasitic and all that, which we will study afterward. Today we will go through autotrophic. Now autotrophic, as I have said, that it is the process in which green plants or the organism prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So we will see that what is photosynthesis, how the organisms, they prepare their own food. So photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to prepare. So photosynthesis means it is the process in which green plants use sunlight to prepare their own food, and in this photosynthesis, what are the raw materials required? The first one and the important is your sunlight, which is the ultimate source of energy. Sunlight. Second, water. Third, carbon dioxide. And fourth, chlorophyll. So here these are the raw material which is essential for the process of photosynthesis, or we can say that photosynthesis, it is the process in which the plant uses light, means water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare food. That is your photosynthesis. Now see how they work. They use carbon dioxide and water and all that. CO2. So use CO2 and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And what it gives, this is the important for your board exam also. And what it gives carbohydrate or glucose. Like that. Okay, so you can see that here by the carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they are producing your glucose, that is your C6H12O6, and oxygen and energy. This, it is stored in the leaves and here, and it is used for their functions, activities, and here oxygen, it is released out, which we use, and energy they use for their functions. So this is a chemical reaction of photosynthesis. Now see what happened in photosynthesis. They use sunlight. Here the green pigment, which we say chlorophyll. This is the green pigment which is present there, and it helps in trapping the sunlight. After that, here small holes are there, which is called stomata, from where the exchange of gases take place. We will study about stomata later. And by the roots, they collect water and minerals. And through this stomata, carbon dioxide. So what will happen, that this sunlight, here the chlorophyll, it will trap sunlight and means collect the sunlight, and here through the stomata, carbon dioxide will enter, and by the root, here water and minerals are provided, and the leaf, which is called the food factory or kitchen of the plant, here the food is prepared. It means this reaction takes place, and after that the carbohydrate, it is stored here only, and the oxygen, it is released out through the stomata, and energy, it is used for different functions. So now we will see that what are the events which take place during the photosynthesis. So events. So what are the events or the steps? This you remember because it is mostly asked in the board exams. So 3 events or 3 steps take place during photosynthesis. The first one is that chlorophyll. sunlight. Okay, after that, this sunlight, it is changed into, means the light energy, it is changed into chemical energy. Light energy is changed into chemical energy. And this chemical energy, it has been splitting. What? That is your water into two parts. One is hydrogen and another is oxygen. After that, here we can balance it like that. Okay, and the third step, that is your reduction of. So light energy is converted into chemical energy, which help in the chemical reaction, that is splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. And the third important step, that is your reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. So these three steps, it take place during photosynthesis. So what are the raw material? For raw material means the raw materials, it is your water, then your chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide. And these are the three steps which is there, or events which take place during photosynthesis. So this is the nutrition process which take place in the plants, or we can say autotrophic process. Now in the next we will go through the heterotrophic